Hi, today we're going to walk through how to connect and program the MATelec Wi-Fi time switch range using the built-in Wi-Fi hotspot interface. The process is the same across the timer range with Wi-Fi functionality. For this tutorial, we'll be using the single relay module. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This video covers programming only. All wiring diagrams are included with the time switch, and installation must be completed by a licensed electrician. Start by turning on the time switch's Wi-Fi connection. Press and hold the network button until the Wi-Fi activates. On your laptop or mobile device, open your Wi-Fi settings. Look for the time switch's network and connect to it. If the password hasn't been changed, the default is MATelec 20, capital M-A-T. Once connected, you're ready to access the interface. Open a new web browser. Inside your instruction manual, there will be an IP address listed. Type this into your browser interface. This will take you to the timer's setup screen. If the device is new or has been reset, the setup wizard will automatically start. First, select your language. Then, choose your operation mode. You can select from Time Program, Holiday Program, Astro Program, or a combination. For most applications, a Time or Astro program will cover what you need. If using Astro mode, you'll be asked to set your location. Select your country and city. This will enable an accurate sunrise and sunset time to be set. Next, set the current time. You can either sync this automatically or enter it manually. To create a simple schedule, go to the Time Program section. Set your on time and your off time. Choose how often it repeats this, daily, weekly, or on specific days. Save your program. Once set, the time switch will run automatically based on this schedule. You can also set a holiday program to override your schedule during specific dates. Use manual control to temporarily or permanently override the time switch, or adjust and edit your programs at any time through the interface. You can back up your settings and restore them to other time switches. This is useful when setting multiple units with the same configuration. And that's how to connect and program your MATelec Wi-Fi time switch using the built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. Simple setup, flexible control, and easy support. For more information, refer to the supplied documentation or contact the MATelec Australia team.